Look here, caught her sitting down on the job. Look here. What you done?
I am cutting the canes from the blackberries that produced this year. These are the new ones. They didn't produce, so we'll leave those grow to next year. This is what'll give us our berries next summer. But the old ones, like this one, they've got to be taken out because they won't produce again.
Okay, well, you cut them and I'll pull them. How's that?
All right. Sounds like a plan to me.
All right. Well, we gotta have two hands, so we'll talk to you on a little bit.
Okay, y'all. This is what we ended up with taken out. And this is what we got left. Got them thinned out really nice. Now we'll have some very healthy shoots next year, and we're gonna have some good berries next year also. Here's what's going on with the bush beans. We see lots of beans starting on there. And I think with this, pole beans, they're just about done. I think we're gonna get one more picking, and then it'll be done. It's done grabbed a hold of the sunflower though. And this sunflower's still holding on. But we thinned out the perennial bed. Got a lot of things cut out. Got a lot of the pepper plants that were in the walkway dumped. And remember I told you, I don't know, a few videos ago, that our eggplant does better in the fall here. Now we have had zero growth on this eggplant all summer long. But look at it now. It's growing up nice now. And there's our cantaloupe. And these cosmos, man, I just cannot get over the way they're growing. Look at the stalk on this one. Now here's the plant. Look how huge that stalk is. You can see the size of my hand. That is huge. And it winds clear around into the walkway. Same with this one. Look how huge that is. I've never seen anything like it. But that goes to show you how good the soil is. And here comes James carrying the, what are they called? Yeah, briars.
Blackberry.
The blackberry vines, or no, they're not vines, they're canes. That's what they are, canes. And we'll give them a couple days and then we'll burn them up. And you know, in the last week, we've probably picked 3 times off this bean plants. And look, they're ready to pick again. They're just growing so fast, and I made them in a roast yesterday, and they taste so good. All right, y'all, we'll be back. Good morning, y'all. Have a look at these loofah gourds. In just a few days, look how big those are getting. And we probably got about 15 on here now, in various sizes. And we just learned that you just leave them on the vine until after the first frost. So I don't know, this is our first time growing them. Look how nice. So we'll see. Okay, y'all. We are seeing conflicting information about the luffa and when the best time to pick them are. So what we're going to do, we're going to do our own experiment. We're going to go ahead and pick one that's been hanging the longest, and we're going to try to peel it and see what we get. The others, we're going to let dry on the vine and see how it does. So James is finally going to cut his, what he calls his crazy banana. Was that satisfying?
Yeah, don't weigh nothing.
Well, that may be a good sign that it's drying on the inside.
Yeah.
Oh wow, can you shake it? Nope. Okay, let's see if we can peel it. Do you want to video me doing it?
If you want to try or you want me to try?
I'll try.
I'm going to try to peel this.
Now, from what I'm reading, is you squeeze it. It's going pretty easy. It feels kind of damp inside. Oh, looky there. Kind of stringy like celery. That is beautiful inside. And it's kind of slimy.
Yeah, it needs to dry out, I believe.
Well, from what I hear, you peel this off and then you wash it. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look inside there. There are mature seeds in there. And that's what we'll use next year to start our loofahs. Oh, looky there. Nice. Okay, we're gonna set up the hose, y'all, and get this all cleaned out, and then we're gonna let it dry. Okay.
So she's washing the sponge. I'm gonna help her out here. Let me get my
Thank
thumb
you.
out of the way. Hang on.
Guess you're supposed to wash all that sliminess out of it. Thank you. I was getting wet, guys.
I was trying to video and
Oh, there's a seed. I'm not gonna waste not one of them seeds.
another one getting ready to come out.
I'm thinking maybe we ought to do this on the driveway.
Probably. Let me back up. Here, let me wash the spot off the driveway, get the leaves out of the way. There you go.
Okay. Little closer.
Okay, I'm trying to get the hose in there. There's all the seeds falling out.
That's good.
Yeah, we don't want them wishing down that way either. All right, let's get up. Move the hose and move the camera all at the same time. Kind of hard to keep track both.
Okay, y'all, I think we're gonna put these up to dry now and pick up all these black seeds. Ah. All right.
We'll be back.
Hey, y'all. Well, we are picking the last of the green beans off of this plant, and then we're gonna go ahead and yank this out and be done with it. So when we get this all pulled out, we'll be back. Well, that's what we ended up getting. Probably about a gallon. Not a bad haul. And we got those green beans taken out. So, and also, we picked our little cantaloupe.
Which
I ate it already. But that's all right, and it was really sweet. What part of it was ripe? It was good. And looky here, say hi, James.
hi.
Look at that fancy new haircut. He's looking good. But he's not the only one that got a haircut.
Look at here.
I got one too.
Getting close to winter. Time to get my hair off.
Yep. All right, y'all.
I don't know why, but I do it just for winter every year.
Yep. All right, y'all. That's going to do it for today. Oh, wait. I've got one more thing to show you first.
That's weird.
Okay, here's what I wanted to show you. Here's the small loofahs that we got. And we got them drying. And what we'll do is we'll use these for scrub pads for in the kitchen or in the bathroom. But that's only 2 of many that's on the vine. Okay, y'all, that's gonna do it for this video. Y'all have a blessed day.